Capricious pronunciation, capricious, meaning likely to change suddenly in mood, behavior, or thinking. Unpredictable. The capricious weather ruined our picnic plans. Synonym, unpredictable. Cacophony pronunciation, cacophoniae, meaning a loud, harsh mixture of unpleasant sounds. Sentence: the street was filled with a cacophony of horns and shouting. Synonym, noise.
Candor. Pronunciation: candor, meaning honesty and openness in speech or expression. Sentence: she spoke with candor about her mistakes. Synonym, honesty. Clandestine. Pronunciation: clandestine, meaning kept secret or done secretly, especially to hide something illegal or private. Sentence: they held a clandestine meeting at night. Synonym, secret. Conundrum. Pronunciation: conundrum, meaning a confusing and difficult problem or question. Sentence: choosing between two great schools was a conundrum. Synonym, puzzle. Cathartic. Pronunciation: cathartic, meaning providing emotional relief after expressing strong feelings. Sentence: crying after the movie was a cathartic experience. Synonym, relieving. Cogent. Pronunciation: cogent, meaning clear, logical, and convincing. Sentence: he gave a cogent argument during the debate. Synonym, convincing. Circumspect pronunciation: circumspect, meaning careful to consider risks before acting or speaking. Sentence: she was circumspect when sharing personal details. Synonym, cautious. Corroborate. Pronunciation: corroborate, meaning to confirm or support something with evidence. Sentence: witnesses corroborate the suspect's story. Synonym, confirm. Chimerical. Pronunciation: chimerical, meaning imaginary or impossible to achieve. Simple sentence: his dream of instant fame felt chimerical. Synonym, unrealistic. Callous pronunciation: callous, meaning emotionally insensitive or cruel. Sentence: his callous response shocked everyone. Synonym, heartless. Callous pronunciation: callous, meaning emotionally insensitive or cruel. Sentence: his callous response shocked everyone. Synonym, heartless. Cryptic pronunciation: cryptic, meaning mysterious or difficult to understand. Sentence: his cryptic message confused everyone. Synonym, unclear. Complacent. Pronunciation: complacent, meaning overly satisfied with oneself and unaware of dangers or problems. Sentence: the team became complacent after their early success. Synonym, self-satisfied. Caustic. Pronunciation: caustic, meaning sharply critical or sarcastic in speech. Sentence: she made a caustic remark about his mistake. Synonym, harsh. Cerebral pronunciation: cerebral, meaning related to intellectual or deep thinking. Sentence: the film was more cerebral than entertaining. Synonym, intellectual. Contentious pronunciation: contentious, meaning likely to cause disagreement or argument. Sentence: the topic became highly contentious in the meeting. Synonym, argumentative. Copious pronunciation: copious, meaning large in quantity, abundant. Sentence: she took copious notes during the lecture. Synonym, plentiful. Coherent pronunciation: coherent, meaning logical, clear, and easy to understand. Sentence: his explanation was clear and coherent. Synonym, clear. Conspicuous pronunciation: Conspicuous, meaning easily seen or noticed. Sentence, he was conspicuous in his bright red jacket. Synonym, noticeable,